You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you go about pronouncing this curious name? Well, just like the word air. So if you break it down, it's like air, air. Okay, so essentially the E there doesn't do anything. It's pretty much, you can consider it silent. Air is how you say it. Air. A lot of people are wondering how to pronounce it after Kylie Jenner's revealed the name of her baby boy, Aire. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.